And next, you're going to hold the ankles of your feet as you enter into Vetrasana. Lifting the hips up. Holding the ankles.
पर्यकासने स्थित्वा हस्तपादौ सम्मीलयेत् वेत्रासनं भवति.
And next, you're going to bring the hands below the hips, the hip bone. And you're going to stretch the legs. You're going to bring in from the side. So allow the fingers to come to the side of the hip. As you stretch the legs in front of you, toes on the ground into Uttana Shiki Pitakasana.
जङ्घोरुबलहीनश्चेत् उत्तानशिखिपीठकम् अप्रमत्तः प्रकुर्वीत भुक्तेः प्राग्विजितेन्द्रियः.
And slowly relax the hip on the ground. And you're going to lift the legs all the way up, hips up towards the sky into Viparita Karani.
करणी विपरीताख्या सर्वाधिव्याधिनाशिनी नित्यम् अभ्यासयुक्तस्य जाठराग्निविवर्धनी आहारा बहवस्तस्य सम्पाद्या साधकस्य च.
And slowly bring now this time you're going to bring toes touching the floor above the head into Langalasana.
नरकासने स्थित्वा नासिकप्रदेशे भूमौ पादपृष्ठे स्थाप्य हस्तद्वयं सम्मील्य लम्बीकुर्यात् ग्रीवाप्रदेशेन भूमिं कर्षयेत् लाङ्गलासनं भवति.
Very good. Now hold the ankles of your feet with the hands as we enter into Chakrasana.
शवासनस्थो द्वौ पादौ कुर्यान्मस्तकतः परौ व्युत्क्रमेण ततः शीघ्रम् एतत् सर्वस्य साधनम् चक्रासनं गुल्मप्लीह वातरोगादिनाशनम्.
And slowly hold the toes and separate the legs wide apart into Supta Konasana.
परिवृत्तिः कुक्षिभागे त्रिधा हि परिकीर्तितः बद्धकोणं सुप्तकोणं ऊर्ध्वकोणं अथापि च.
And bringing the legs together and legs as close to you as possible with the legs straight into Sayita Paschimottanasana.
तानं शयित्वा तु कुर्वीत शयितपश्चिमतानकम्.
Allow, stay here for a few more breaths, allowing and infusing Sadashiva's prana into every inch of our body through the long, deep breath here in the breathing space of Swamiji. And slowly release. Now bringing the knees to the chest with the soles of the feet towards the sky. Stretch the arms by your sides into Kocha Chikasana.
दो हाथ छीदा सा करे तीन सो उभे ईस पकड़े पग ऊंचाई आगाने आने बहुरी जुगति ऐसी विधि ठाने.
Bringing the index and middle finger around the big toe. Stretch the knees, stretch the legs into Supta Padangushtasana.
उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चञ्च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणञ्च सुप्ताङ्गुष्ठप्रसारणे.
Keep breathing. Now separate the legs wide apart into Supta Prasarita Padangushtasana. And bring the legs together. Now you're going to lift the hips towards the sky, supporting the hands on the hips into Sarvangasana.
अथ वक्ष्येऽत्र संक्षेपात् सर्वाङ्गासनमुत्तमम् यत्कृत्वा योगनिपुणो विद्याभिः पण्डितो यथा अधो निधाय शीर्षं च ऊर्ध्वपादद्वयं चरेत् पद्मासनं तु तत्रैव भूमौ कूर्परयुग्मकम्.
Hold it here. Long deep breath. And you're going to bend the knees into Padmasana. Here itself, from Sarvangasana, bend the knees and enter into Padmasana. And you very slowly, you're going to bring your spine down, hips on the ground, keeping the hands behind the back as we enter into Nagarasana.
नग्र आसन प्रथम पद आसन कोठाने दो हाथ पाछाने आने पाद अंगूठा पकड़े आणी सोवे कहुन्या कुल्या पाणी गोड़ा जंघ अग्र को दाखे मस्तक सो समसूधो राखे नासा अग्र दृष्टि को धरे आसन नग्र ईसी विधि करे.
And release the hands from the back and bring them above the head, touching the opposite elbows above the head into Matsyasana.
मुक्त पद्मासनं कृत्वा उत्तान शयनं चरेत् कूर्पराभ्यां शिरो वेष्ट्य मत्स्यासनं तु रोगः.
Experiencing the long deep breath. You're going to slowly stretch the arms above the head as you bring the right hand over the left into Padasuramasana.
प्रथम करे पद्मासन आछे सूधो सोवे भूपरि पाछे गोड़ा अरुजंघा ये दोवु भूसो लगता राशे सोई दोवु हाथ मस्तक दिस धरे लाबाम भूसो लगत पसारे बाहुरी जुवाम हसत है जासो दक्षिपाथी पिष्टि जुतासो.
And slowly stretch the arms by the sides with the palms facing up, and you're going to stretch the legs below you as we relax, as we enter into Shivasana.
उत्तानं शववद्भूमौ शयनन्तु शवासनं शवासनं श्रान्तिहरं चित्तविश्रान्तिकारकम्.
Observe the depth of your breath. Experiencing the fulfillment of receiving Sadashiva's prana into every breath as we moved through all the 108 asanas in the breathing space of Mahasadashiva himself, allowing his prana to be infused and penetrate in every inch of our body. Experiencing his presence. Moving the tip of your toes and the tip of your fingers. Take a deep inhale, stretch the arms above the head. And on the exhale, bend the knees and hug the knees towards the chest into Pavana Muktasana.
द्वयोस्तु पादयोः पार्ष्णि लात्वा स्वस्वनितम्बके जानुनी वक्षसि साधुः बध्नाति करबन्धनैः एवं विधस्थितिर्यत्र तत्र वायुमुक्तासनं भवेदनेन वशा शुद्धिः मलस्थवायोर्मोचनम्.
And rock yourself up into a comfortable seated position with the hands in Namaskara Mudra. We're going to close with the Purna Mantra.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ तत्सत्. सर्वं सद्गुरुपादुकार्पणमस्तु. ॐ नित्यानन्दम्.
जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं. जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्. आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोग